May 7th, 2026. We're going to go over some alignments that occurred, and we're going to go over the past 2 days. Normally, we only go over today, the day that I make the video, but I didn't make a video yesterday. And we're going to go over both days. So we're going to start on May 6th, and we're going to look at the alignments that occurred. We're going to identify the alignment channels where the momentum is all going the same direction. On the 15 and 30, 15 here, 30 minute here, we want the momentum on these to be going, we want them to be in sync. And that's what starts an alignment channel. And then we're going to see, this is a 2 hour over here, the 2 hour MACD momentum. Here's the 30-minute momentum MACD. Here's the 15-minute MACD. Here's the 2 hour MACD. They're all showing you momentum. And the 2 hour is just kind of supplementary. It's just kind of extra context. And if we can go with it, that's an even bigger boot. Maybe you want to raise your target, or maybe you want to allow for runners more often. If we're not going with the 2 hour, it's not that big of a deal. You can still take the trade, but it's just some nice context to have, some longer, higher time frame context. Okay, we're going to get into May 6th. We're going to identify two things. One, where does the 5-minute MACD start to align with these higher time frames? And two, what does the 1-minute chart show us when we go into that alignment channel, when we zoom in even further and investigate to see what we can find out? So here we are at the market open of May 6th. Yesterday, which was a Wednesday, and this is our time signature here. So as I move it around, you'll see the time signatures moving on these higher data sets. Okay, so we want to wait for alignment in the 15 and 30. So right when the market opens, literally the first 5 minutes of the market, what do we see? 30 minutes going down into the red, 15 minutes going down into the red. So now we want to wait for the 5-minute to be going down. Okay, not happening yet. Look, going up, 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 taper, starts to go down. So right there is potentially an alignment channel forming to the downside. Potentially. It's not going to be the best because the 2 hour is going up and the 15 and the 30 are going down. So those are not in alignment. But an alignment channel is an alignment channel, nonetheless. It literally happens all the time. So look at this. What do you see? Within this alignment channel, we have an opportunity for a short trade. You could take, who knows who everybody's unique. You could attack this in many different ways. You could scalp it in a bunch of different ways. But this was the first opportunity, the first alignment window for May 6th. We're going to go back in. We're going to see when the next alignment channel happens. So that alignment channel occurred right here. Now we're moving forward. We drop down again. See this 5-minute MACD? This is where the alignment begins. We don't want to be going up because everything's going down. See 30-minute, 15 minutes going down at this time. So we want to look and get interested when it starts to go down, which happens right here. So again, we go to the 1-minute chart, see if we can find anything interesting. Had a little bit right here, but not really much else. Notice the MACD on the 1 minute, just going up, so it's not giving us an opportunity. So there wasn't really any opportunities with this alignment that occurred. And we go back. We start to pull to the upside right here. So far that's not an alignment because we want things to be going down. Just keeps on going up, keeps on going up. By the time this starts to taper to the downside again, right here, starts tapering to the downside. By the time that happens, look what's going on with the 15. The 15 is literally about to cross over. That's saying, no, why would you take a short opportunity? You want everything to be going, you want the 15 to be going down in the red, and you want the 30 to be going down in the red. So as soon as things are starting to get the opposite and build in the opposite direction, you should not be looking for trades. So we're not looking for trades yet. We're going to pursue forward. 15-minute has now crossed over into the green. If we can get the 30-minute to cross over into the green, that means we'll be looking at another alignment window, but this time it'll be stronger because remember the 2 hours going up. So if we can get that to happen, 15 still in the green, 30-minute not in the green yet. 30-minute is now touching green. So now we have the opportunity for a massive alignment channel to begin. Why? Because the 15 in the green going up, 30-minute in the green about to start expanding. Maybe, we don't know, we can't tell the future. But we know that the 2-hour is strong to the upside. That means we have the potential for a huge fractal to occur, a huge alignment channel to occur. So we wait for the 5-minute MACD to start going up, down, 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 the first tick up right here. Now that commences the alignment channel. That is what we call an alignment of momentum going on multiple time frames. So we've got the green light. At this point, we focus on the 1-minute chart and we look for any opportunities that might be presented to us. What do we see? What do we see? Look at it here. Down, 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 tick up. That's a win right there. Look here. Down, 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 tick up. That would have been a loss. Look at this. Down, 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 up. That would have been a nice win. And this is the game. This is literally the game. You wait for the alignment channels to occur. In the 5-minute chart, we know the alignment channel is going on right now because we're going up in momentum, aligned with the higher time frames. And you go to the 1-minute chart or the 2-minute chart and you look for opportunities to stack the momentum on top of that. Let's see the next one. Going down, 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 down. Oh, a tipping point to the upside. Interesting. I wonder if that's what they call constructive interference. Or it's just probability, one of the two. Okay, we're going up, 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 playing through this recent opportunity, which was another win. We have a tick down, and we have a tick back up to the upside, which occurred right there. That would have been another win. Look at this alignment channel that occurred right here. Another reset here, because look, we go up, 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 tick down, tick back up, reset. Reset in momentum. It's another alignment right there. So it depends how you want to play it, who you are. Do you want to use a 1-to-1? Do you want to use a 2-to-1? Do you want to use an inverse risk to reward? Who are you and how do you want to trade these alignment channels? That's totally up to you. But what's important is that you can identify the alignment channels when they occur. That's what's important, is can you understand, can you comprehend that when we have momentum aligning on many dimensions, the 1-minute, the 5-minute, the 15, the 30, the 2-hour, if we can find a time in space where all of those are going the same direction, what do you think the chances of the price action continuing in that direction? What do you think the chances are of continuation? It's very high, my friend. And that's what it's all about. That literally is what it's all about. We're going to go over, that's interesting. I can't even manipulate these anymore. That's weird. Why? Why? Hold on a second. Bear with me. Interesting. There we go. Now it's working. Okay. There we go. Back to normal. Okay, now we're going to go over to the next day, which is today. What happened in the market today? Did we have alignment channels? Could we have traded the alignment channels? Could we have made money? Could we have lost money? The market starts right here. We're going to look at a 5-minute chart, just like we just did with that previous day. We're going to wait for the alignment channels to occur. Then we're going to go to the 1-minute chart and see if we could have capitalized on those alignment channels. Here's the 2-hour chart going down. Right as market is opening, right even before the market opens, we're going down. Market opens right here. 15-minute in the green. 30-minute working up in the red. We skip forward a little bit. Notice how the price action plays off of VWAP. 15-minute in the green. 30 minutes still not in the green. 30 minutes starts to touch the green. 15-minute in the green and building. We get a volume confluence. See this volume confluence right here? Momentum is stacked. This is an alignment channel. This is totally an alignment channel starting from this point forward. So we go to the 1-minute chart. Could we have found any entries in this alignment channel? Could we have found anything? So we go forward from that point that I just marked. We go forward. We're going down, down, down. We want to be going up. Remember, everything's going up. The 30-minute and the 15-minute. We're going down, 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 tick up right there. That was your entry, my friend. Right there. Yes, that was a win. We go forward. We're still in the alignment channel. Now we're looking for another opportunity after that one returns a win. Come down, 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 up. This ticks up right there. That was not a win. That was a loss. Okay, we go back down, down. This would have lost here on this candle. So we start here, start looking for a new opportunity. Going down. Not really strong to the upside yet. Down, down, down. Now that is a stronger sign to the upside right there. That's another win. Going up, 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 down. Down, down. That's kind of pulling up. That one pulls up for sure. The earlier entry would have been okay though, because this was actually the pop to the upside right there. Down, down. We're gonna make this super clear. Down, 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 pull up. It's not strong, but it does reverse. The momentum actually reverses, and that's what we care about. That is what we care about. The volume confluence adds conviction, but moral of the story is, if you were to have, I did it again. I can't touch this line anymore. Bear with me. That's unfortunate. Wow. Interesting little glitch. I'm going to put another line on the chart then in this case. So if we entered here on this one, where it did start to pull up a little bit, it would have been a win for a 1-to-1. If we would have entered right here on the very next one, which had a volume confluence involved, it would have been a loss. So then, come down, and another pop to the upside right here. And that was a win for a 1-to-1. And was there anything else? No, not really. Let's check back in with the 5. Are we still in alignment channel? Sort of. It's dying off now, and as soon as this MACD starts to die off, that's not an alignment channel any longer. Alignment means the momentum has to be going in the same direction. So keep that in mind. As the 5-minute MACD starts to die off and become weaker, you maybe want to skip those trades and avoid those trades. Only take the best setups. So we're going to go forward here, and we see that our 15-minute is now tapering to the downside. 30-minute is now crossing over. The 15 now has crossed over right here. It's crossing over. 15 is crossed over. Now it's finally concluded and printed. So now we're definitely in bearish territory now, as a 15-minute crossover is a serious event. And we have the support of the 2-hour. Remember, we talked about this. This is an additional context, but it does matter. So now we're about to approach a full fractal, which is where the 2-hour, the 15-minute, and the 30-minute are all going in the same direction. That is a full alignment fractal. So if we're in a full fractal, which it's about to happen, this is in the red. As soon as this prints, then it's technically a full fractal. And that prints right there. It just printed. Now we're officially in a full fractal. So that's why this move happened. Okay, this move, that's why it happened. This move to the downside occurred in part because of constructive interference of momentum on multiple time frames, having some harmonic resonance between them, producing an overall asymmetrical cloud of probabilities, meaning that from this point forward, right here, right where the full fractal begins, the question of, is it a 50-50 chance if it's going to go down or up from here? Is it a 50-50? No. The answer to the question is no. It's a 75% chance that it's going down from here. 25% chance that it's going to go up from this point. That's what's going on. So even though the 5-minute MACD is not necessarily going down, it's tapering. See how it's tapering and showing. This is called like not stagnation. What's the word I'm thinking of? It's stalling. It's stalling right here. It's not puncturing up to the green. It's in the red and it's stalling. So at this point, right around here, we really want to be starting to look for short opportunities on our lower time frame, on our 1-minute chart, because we know that we're in a full fractal at this time. 5-minute is in the red. Maybe the 5-minute MACD is not going with us, but it's in the red and it's stalling. So it's not like it's ripping up into the green. It's in the red and holding. Okay? That means we really want to be looking for opportunities. So we want to look for opportunities to take shorts. One was right there. Maybe that was a win, maybe that was a loss. Next one, look at this. Up, 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 down. That's the next one right there. That would have been a win. Up, up, down, right here. It's another win. Look at this. Up, 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 down. Another win. As soon as the momentum is aligning to all of these higher time frames, the probability of it going down is way more than 50%. Way more than 50%. Closer to 70%. 65%. The next one occurs, look at this, up, 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 down right here, which would have been a loss. Would have been a loss. Look at this, up, 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 down. Right there. I think that was all of them right there for that one. So now the 5 minute is tapering up. As soon as it hits green, we really want to stop trading to the downside. We want this to be in the red. We don't want to be trading against a 5 minute. We don't want to be trading against anything. We want everything going in the same direction. Remember that. So this goes up and, we're not interested. If it's really weak, close to crossing over and working up, we're not taking any trades. We want to wait till it's crossing over into the red or in the red and expanding. And that occurs right here. Starts to occur right here. This is the end of the day, so I always try to avoid the end of the day, but you can still get some setups every once in a while. There was a few opportunities to take trades here as well in this alignment. There was. You could find some. Just look at the momentum on the MACD and you'll find them. But that was all of the alignment channels that occurred during the past 2 market days. And in terms of what's going on in the market, in terms of the NASDAQ, what are we about to witness? Well, we've had this insane run up, okay? On a daily chart, it becomes even more obvious of how insane this is. Especially if you look back of years of data. If you just keep going back, look at years of data, you'll find these insane runs, okay? You will find these insane runs. This one was in 2021. But by and large, what we're seeing right now, what we are in the midst of right now, is one of the most monstrous runs ever. And it is going to experience a correction soon. I want you to pay close attention to this fat red volume bar. And I want you to pay close attention to this channel, okay? No need to bust out the ruler and your calculus textbook. Literally, just imagine a channel and realize that you shouldn't be doing any shorts. If there's a short opportunity, you should be risking less. You should really just be focusing on going with this upward probability and stacking those asymmetrical probabilities in your favor. With all that being said, I will see you in the next one.